All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to promote your business on Facebook and why would you want to do something like that? Why would you use Facebook particularly? Now, obviously, I'm specifically zeroing on Facebook because a lot of people are on Facebook in my space, but obviously, that doesn't mean you wouldn't be, considering promoting your business on other platforms such as Instagram and Twitter and other places. But I just want to talk about Facebook specifically because a lot of people are on Facebook, and especially in our niche, in the make money online, network marketing, affiliate marketing, and so on. And there are a lot of ways you can do this, not just your obvious sort of posting on your timeline, but also using groups or using Facebook pages and so on. And obviously, you can immediately communicate with these people on Messenger. So there's a built-in, obviously a built-in chat system. So I'm not going to talk about ads or anything like that. I'm going to just talk about free building a business for free on Facebook. So there are a number of things you can do. Now, obviously, the first thing you want to do is set up a profile. Okay, you want to brand yourself, but you don't necessarily have to look like a business as such. Especially in our space, people want to work with people. Okay, you want to see that you're a real person. So you can set up your account accordingly. In my opinion, I would definitely say put up a picture of yourself so people can understand who you are and get to know you, and make that connection. Put up a profile picture of yourself on the main banner. But then get posting, guys, because people will check you out. And if you're someone who's not really that active, who hardly ever really posts much, it's particularly about business stuff. Now, I'm not suggesting you need to post everything about business, as such, or just coming across as promoting your primary business, but you need to be thinking about value. You need to be thinking about recognition. Share your other content from your other platforms such as YouTube. Talk about your lifestyle, where you're what you're doing, what you're up to. Let people know you're a real person. And there's so much recognition post videos. Mix up the content, make some funny posts and stuff like that. But that's your timeline. That's just getting going. Make some engaging posts so that people can see what you're up to, what you're doing, and potentially consider working with you. Obviously, you can set up a group. I've got groups. I'm not suggesting you necessarily have to join these groups. I'm just saying that a group is something that you yourself could set up yourself, because obviously with a group you can build it up quite quickly, and you can build them up to more than what you're allowed to do on your personal profile, because on your personal profile you can only build up to 5,000 friends on your profile. Obviously you can have a lot more on people who follow you. So I've got 4,865 friends, but I've got 3,744 people who follow me, so that's in addition. But then with a group, you can build things up. This is a relatively new group. It's not that old. It's sort of 3 or 4 months old. But we've got over 3,000 members in the group. I've got another group here, which is Mega Marketing Pro Group. We've got 3,100 people in that group. And then there are some groups I've done in the past that I'm not particularly active in now, so don't even bother looking. But I've had groups in the past where I've had over 6,000 people and more. Another one that's not active anymore, so don't even bother looking. It's over 2,000 there. But the point I'm saying is that you can set up your own groups, and also pages as well. Pages as another thing that people can set up, and people have had a lot of success with. So how do you start networking with people who are sort of like-minded? Well, obviously you can use the search box, and you can search for groups like money-making groups that you want to join. You can search for network marketing type groups, groups that are sort of related to your niche, whatever you're involved in. Okay, my computer's running a bit slow, but you get the idea. And then you can join these various groups. Okay, and then once you join these various groups, you're going to find it very, very difficult not to, get friend requests. And the point is, don't automatically think that they're just people you want to avoid. You're in the game, guys. You want to network with people. So, welcome the friend requests. And, remember, you can block people if they're overly persistent or whatever. But, just because they're pitching you doesn't mean that that's an automatic reason to block them. It's a way to, start a conversation with people. And you can also talk to them about their business. If they're talking to you about their business, that's an invitation to you to start talking about your business as well. So stay strong, stay focused. Don't get lured into a lot of junk, but take an interest in what people are doing and use it as a way to build communication with these people. So the other thing I like about Facebook is that you can also connect it up with Instagram. So you can kill two birds with one stone. And so with Instagram, I've set up my Instagram so that I can, whenever I post on Instagram, such as a story post or a reel or an actual post itself, that can automatically post onto my Facebook. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go into details of how to do that. You can go onto YouTube and learn about how to do that. It's really, really simple. You can connect up your Facebook profile with your Instagram, and so that and you can set it so that whenever you post your content on Instagram, it's automatically going to post onto Facebook. It just saves you a bunch of time. So when you're managing your content, you can have it so that you're building your various networks at the same time. Kind of another thing I do with YouTube sometimes is I upload a YouTube video, and then I can have it so that I can share it out onto other platforms such as LinkedIn, and Facebook and Twitter and so on. So and also on YouTube you can actually upload content and schedule it to go out at a time where you know that most people are going to check your posts. Such as in my case, I'm based in Japan, so my post can be scheduled to go out in the middle of my night. That way it's the perfect timing to go out according to when people are online. But actually, according to YouTube, my best time to post is 9 a.m. in the morning, and then people in the US are going to be able to see it in their evening or whatever. So that works for me, and that's fine. That's easy. But but the good news is I can schedule it all. I don't have to post it all at once. I can do all my content in advance. I can have it set up and schedule it and so on. And then I can take clips from my YouTube videos that I've done. I can take little bits and I can put them onto Instagram. I can trim it. I can make it a square so that it works on Instagram, and then that'll automatically post onto Facebook. So I wanted to cover that. So basically, just to review, you can set up your profile on Facebook. Make sure that you're branding yourself. Okay, put a picture of yourself. So do the same on Instagram, because you can link those two accounts together. Set up a group, set up a page, and get to work. So start producing content on these various platforms, and don't expect everything to happen overnight. It never happened overnight for me, but because I'm consistent, I keep going. You can get the content out there, and it'll grow your channels over time. Okay, all right. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next training. I'm gonna close off now, but give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below what are your what are your various methods on growing your Facebook Facebook profile. All right, no links please guys, but please engage in my videos. It really helps the channel, and look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.